Let's break down the most common types of gate openers and who they're best for. Swing gate openers. Perfect if you've got room for the gate to swing open, like a door. They're quiet, classic, and easy to install. But they're not great for slope driveways. Sliding gate openers. Great when space is tight. These gates glide along a track, handle heavy gates easily, and are harder to force open. Just remember, you'll need to keep that track clear. Overhead gate openers work like a garage door. Great for limited horizontal space, but usually need professional installation. Now, what should you consider when shopping? Weight and size capacity. Make sure the opener can handle your gate. Power source. Electric, solar, or battery backup. Remote access. From remotes to smartphone apps, convenience is key. Consider your gate's weight. Heavy gates need heavy-duty motors. Think security. Sliding gates usually provide extra protection. And of course, set a budget. There are great options at every price point. That's where ALEKO comes in. ALEKO offers a full range of automatic gate openers. Swing, sliding, barrier, and more. Designed for durability, reliability, and everyday convenience. Whether you're installing a brand new system or upgrading an old one, ALEKO has the perfect fit. And while you're upgrading your gate, why not elevate your outdoor space even more with an ALEKO retractable awning? It adds shade, comfort, and curb appeal all year long. So, ready to find the gate opener that fits your lifestyle? Explore ALEKO's full collection today and bring security, style, and convenience right to your front gate. Visit aleko.com to get started.